home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Sarah Solaita with Fathom Realty. Let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. I've sold hundreds of homes, so I know what I'm talking about. Here we go. When you walk up to the home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black mulch, maybe fresh flowers, plants, or trees? Or maybe even new trim, door paint, or possibly a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean deep clean. Baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out light bulbs. There's so much you could do to deep clean. Is your lawn lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? Yes, these things really matter. Are your walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint does not qualify, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old that have been cleaned maybe 15 times? And then once it rains, people walk all over them a few times? Well, then the truth comes out. This is not going to get you top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Have you updated them? Does your lot compare to maybe the half-acre lot up the street? You see, all of this really matters. And this is a big one. The smell test. OMG. I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it is so true. We love our pets. In fact, if you know me, my puppies are my babies, and the kitties, well, let's just say my kitties rule the house. We consider them all family. They have free reign. But if I were going to list my home, I'd have to Febreze like crazy. Like crazy. You see, my puppies are puppies, and they definitely have had accidents. They love to lay all over the furniture, chase the kitties through the house, you name it. And as much as I work, it is a bit much to say on top of it. So when I go to sell my house, I would have to make changes, and I would definitely have to pass the smell test. And what about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you're used to, but if someone came over, then it might smell like a fish fry? Again, that is a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to the competition? I mean, I truly think I have the best home on the block, but listen, is this measuring up to your competition? Is your home partially staged or fully staged? Maybe with modern furniture to ensure it shows the best of its ability. Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I am just trying to help. When you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor showering, or is there pasture? Are there hills or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's TV or even hear them yell over who gets to pick what to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view. So I challenge you, take the quiz, get a scale from 1 to 10. If you're ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or you need to make a few changes. P.S. Most of us need to make a few changes. My goodness, if I had to sell my house right now, I'd have a honey-do list for weeks. I'm Sarah Solaita with Fathom Realty. As always, I'll see you next time, and have a blessed day.